Hello guys, you are watching SAP with Radhika. You will get here all type of SAP SD model videos. Okay, today we will see the SQVI report. You know about it, SQVI? You don't know about it, SQVI? Then let's see. You can't imagine. Functional side also we can create total report like sales report and any report without using ABAP. Just only functional side. I'm also surprised when I found out about SQVI. It is just magic. Okay, that's why today I'm going to show you how to create SQVI. This is a SQVI report. What is this? This is a quick view report. Means you directly see the report just in 2 minutes. Okay, so you can see here what is the SQVI. SQVI, it is a T code of quick view report. So you just want to quick view of report, then better use the SQVI T code. But you want to create the new T code for this report and move to another PRD system. Then there are 3 steps. First SQ01 T code, then SQ02, then third SQ03. But today we will see SQVI only. And next video we will see these are 3 steps. SQ01, SQ02 and SQ03. Okay. So you want all videos my channels, then first you subscribe my channel, like and share. Okay. Let's see on system. Okay, then you first /n SQVI T code. Okay, then enter it. Okay, this is the open SQVI report screen. Okay, you can see here quick view, and here change, create, SAP query, execute, display and description tab. You first here in front of quick view, here you name what is the report. So I am creating here Z sales report. So I am giving to ZSO underscore report. Okay. Then you creating. So you click on create button. Then you can see here one box. Here title. So you can give here title Z report. Okay. That's it. And here you see data source. So click on here table join. So then next step is continue. Just a minute, it is loading. Okay, the next screen is open. You can see here create quick view ZSO underscore report. Okay, so here what can we do? The first, you can see the second, insert table. So here click on insert table and choose the table, means you want the billing document number. So VBRK. Okay, enter. Okay, then you want the insert table and you want the item level, billing document item. So VBRP, enter. Okay, then again click on insert table Here you give LIPS, okay, the delivery number for delivery. To continue, again you click on insert table and give LIKP, okay. Again you insert table for sales order VBA, VBAK, okay. So okay, the next step, what you joining is correct or not, the check first. So here Veblen means billing document number, here billing document number, so it is correct. Then here postner delivery item and the delivery number, here it is wrong because it is delivery number and it is a billing document number. So it is first deleted the joining, delete link. Then how to join in this? This is the billing document item data and this is the delivery document, okay, item data. So here you can see the reference number VGBEL. So it is correct. VGBEL. VGBL and the Veblen. So VGBL means reference number. Reference number is means what? Nothing but the delivery number. So it is checked. Now it is correct. So next the delivery number. It is correct. The next delivery number and the sales document number. No, it is wrong. So here also it is a header data. So it can't match to VBAK. So VBAK and the here delivery number. So first you deleted table object, then here you take no nothing the correct one. So you can take here insert table, B B A P, VBAP. Here or you can delete this object, okay, and here VBAP take, okay. Now you can see here the reference number VGBEL, okay. Okay, now check link condition are correct. Okay, you can then next step is go to the back. Okay, then you can see here you have selected the table, okay, VBRK, VBRP, LIPS, VBAP. So here, what is this? List field, the selection field. Okay, so you want the in a list field, so tick here. You want the selection field, so tick here. Billing type, I want to selection field, not the list field. Billing date, I want the list field and the selection field. And okay, that's it only in report. I want billing material. Okay, material, where it is, material number, and then text also. Okay, then document, I want list field, plant list field, sales unit, then sales order number, then what is the, this is net value, then currency, what do you want, you tick here. Okay, here sold to party. Okay, that's it. They automatically selected here. So let's check. The click on execute. The warning messages. Don't worry, it is warning messages. So click on continue. You can see here. It is created. The name is Z report. As selection for selection screen, I am using taking the billing document, billing type, and billing date. And I execute here. You just see the all report. You can see here in only 2 minutes. It's taking. Wow. Okay. Thank you for the watching. And next video we will see the 3 steps SQ01, 02 and 03. Bye. Thank you.